Hello, my friends. Welcome to the channel Ads with Lovnik. So, as you know, Google have removed the smart campaigns options from the dashboard. But if you are from one of those who are missing the smart campaigns, because for some businesses, smart campaign was the perfect fit. So if that is the case with you, then I have something for you. I have a way that you can use to create a smart campaign even in 2025 or 2026. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to uh, open your Google business profile, and you have to go to businesses section. Here you will see all the businesses that you have access for, and then we will click on see your profile. Okay, so once you click on see your profile, then what you have to do is you just have to click on this advertise option right here. Okay, now as you can see, if you can recall the smart campaign setting, it is the same. So here the business profile we have selected, then you just have to mention your website URL over here. Once the URL is added, we will just click on the next button. Select the objective. What our objective is it to get more calls or website lead or sales, more visit to your physical location, or get more views and engagement on YouTube? So if it is a local business, your goal will be either the calls or the visit physical location. So you can choose accordingly. Let me just select for now get more calls, and then we will click on next button. Here you can add the headlines as many as you want, and the description in the below section. Here you will add the theme you would like to add. So basically you have to select the keywords that are relevant to your business, and then we will click on next button. And here we will select no, this campaign doesn't have EU political ads. We'll click apply, and then from here you can select the you can add your address here, and then you can do the radius targeting thing, or you can target or advertise by zip code, cities or regions. So you can do this accordingly as whichever you prefer. And then we will click on next. Add our budget. Let me just select 44 rupees daily as an average, and let me just click on the next button. So now we are on the last slide of the campaign setting, and we just have to review. Once done, your campaign will be active, and that will be a smart campaign. So if you are one of those people who were missing the smart campaigns, that is the way that is the way that will allow you to still create the smart campaigns in 2025 or even 2026. Okay, but I'm not sure if Google will force you to switch the campaign type in the future, let's say once the campaign is active for 1 or 2 week or a month, because I have just seen this option and I have just found out that okay, we can still create the smart campaigns by following this process. So let me know in the comments below if you are able to keep this campaign active for a longer duration, and if this was helpful for you. And this is it for the video, guys. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.